welcome back to my channel. So I need to make an intro and here I am. I just got off work, but yeah, I have 3 really easy DIY projects for you today. I hope you guys enjoy them. I hope you guys try them out. Everything's really affordable. You can find everything at the Dollar Tree, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm sorry for the very jiggly intro. I'm not used to making intros. I usually just use all of my clips to make an intro, but I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So for our first one that we are going to use is this little container I got at the Dollar Tree. It was only $1. And for this one right here, the only thing I did is this little plastic thing that goes around it was up here. So the lid was really hard to take off. It didn't come off so easily. So what I did is that I pushed it all the way down. So this sits on the plastic now. But when I need something, I could just open and close it and it doesn't get stuck on there. So what I used these little containers, and you've probably seen them everywhere, is just put cotton balls in there and it's good to go. I also made one for my cotton swabs. So I have these in my bathroom. They're really, really cute, and I like how they look on my bathroom shelves. Now for our second DIY, you're gonna get this little fishbowl looking one. You also get it at the Dollar Tree. They also now sell at the Dollar Tree rocks. They have a bunch of different color of rocks, and I love the white one, so that's the one I get. So right here, it's already $2, and something amazing that the Dollar Tree also sells are fake succulents. These right here, what I do is that I chop the little part down at the bottom, and after you put everything together, it looks something like this. And there's a lot of different styles of succulents that they have at the Dollar Tree. They're all really cute, and I will also show how it looks on top of my shelves. Our final DIY, really easy. These DIYs are really fast and they make a big statement in your home. Wait until you see the end of the video. They look amazing. This is just $1, and it's a really cute frame that has the gold trim. And this right here, cute little unicorn, this actually used to be a gift bag. So what I did is that I cut it out, and I cut the side that has the sparkles. I don't know if you can see the glitter right here. And I wanted the one with the glitter. So what you do is I use the gift card as a picture. And it looks really, really cute. When you sometimes can't find a cute little picture that you want to put in your daughter's room or in the bathroom or something like this, this is a great idea, because there's a lot of gift bags out there that are really, really cute. And so this is what it looks like. Ta-da! You can barely see it because of my camera angles, but yeah. Hey everybody. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's really cute. I like the idea, and I also made one for my daughter's, my other daughter's room. It's actually a puppy, and it's really, really cute. So now, let me show you how they look all decorated up in a room. Hey everybody, so that's the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 3 easy Dollar Tree DIYs. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, you can do that down below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!